convert very well, which is why people like Digital Marketer keep using them to this day. But they take a really long time to create. I know, especially because they take hours to create, even with something like Camtasia, because you have to type each slide out the text, manually sync it to the voiceover. It takes a long time, but Sales Video Creator is going to automate much of this process for you. Now, the way it works is you're going to go over here. Once you download the app to your desktop, you're going to go over here to where it says Create New Project. And what we can do here is paste our script in, or just start from scratch. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste my script in. And also we can just have a standard sales letter where it's text behind a slide, or something called kinetic animation where it's more animated. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose kind of the standard here. And what we can do here is now choose our design. So we can choose like a solid color, a gradient color background, or just something standard. Now for this, I'm just going to quickly choose a solid color here, and of course we can change the color by going up here and making it white or blue, or any sort of image in the background as well. And you can choose your font. I'm just going to leave it at that. And we're going to hit next again, and then we're going to paste our script in. So what we have to do is hit paste, and Sales Video Creator will automatically go ahead and put these paragraphs where they think the slide should be broken up. Now, if you don't want it there, you can go here and press return and add the paragraph yourself. And basically what it will do is anytime you see this little paragraph button, it's going to automatically break up the text into a specific slide itself. So this sentence right here will be its own slide, and then there's going to be a break here. And then we have a new slide that's saying main features include. And this is just a quick part of a sales letter that I took. Obviously, you want to paste the whole thing in, and then go through and press return where you want the different slides broken up. And the good thing is now you don't have to create each slide individually from scratch and type the whole thing over. You just quickly paste in all the text, hit return where you want the slides, and it's going to automatically create the different slides for you. So let's hit next, and we can go ahead and edit. Again, this is going to be one slide here. We have one slide where it's blank. We don't want that, so we can just delete that. And then we have another slide where it says main features include. So we have 2 slides in total. Hit next again. And then here's what our slides are going to look like. So I chose that red background with the regular font. And what we can do here is move it around. You can add images. You can change the font. You can change the color, change the size around. Make it smaller, bigger. Any way you want, you can go ahead and edit these slides. So here's the slide here, here's the slide here. We can move them up and down. You can even add a slide manually if you forgot something in your script, you want to add something, or you want to add a picture. Here's where all our slides are. And of course, whenever the video plays, it's going to narrate this text here. You'll hear someone saying, like, normally these take hours to create, and it's going to show the text at the same time. Then what we can do here is hit next, and this is where we're going to be able to sync the audio to the text. Now, if you don't have a voiceover recorded, you can go ahead down here where it says add audio, and you can import your voiceover itself. Or you can record audio, so you can talk and just narrate as the slides are showing. Or you can do something called text to speech, where it will automatically sync. You'll use kind of like a robotic voice, but it will automatically sync the slides to text to speech and create the audio file for you. So say, for example, we wanted to add our own audio. We just hit import audio here. It would show up below, and then you would go over here and press play. Of course, the audio would be playing in this case. I don't have an audio specifically lined up for this test, but it would be playing, and then whenever we wanted it to, whenever this first sentence was done being narrated, we go ahead and press the check mark here, and then it would go ahead and stop the first slide there and start the next slide there. So all you have to do, instead of fiddling around trying to sync the audio to the right slide and keep going back and forth, all you have to do for Sales Video Creator is press the play button. It's going to play once, and then anytime where you want the slide to start and you want the first slide to stop and the next slide to start, you just hit the green button in the bottom, or if you want to undo that, you can uncheck it. And you just keep doing that for all the slides. It will automatically be synced perfectly to the voiceover, just like that. And it will only take a few minutes to create, where normally, of course, it would take a long time to create. And we can add video, audio, and again, you can just record your voiceover in the app if you don't have one already. Or if you are really in a hurry, you can use the text-to-speech function. It will automatically generate a voiceover for you that will automatically be synced to your text. And finally, we're going to hit next and just download our project. You can choose the video quality here. You probably want to choose the best quality. Hit next, and then it will go ahead and be downloaded to our desktop to use. So these textile videos, they're not as fancy, of course, as something like a full production budget if you'd hire people with cameras to follow you around. But the truth is that they work, they're easy to use, and that's why a lot of companies, including myself, are using these textile video sales letters. So this is definitely a great software to use if you needed something like this. The only kind of big drawback is it's very similar to one called EasyVSL. If you have EasyVSL, you probably noticed the similarities. The EasyVSL is a monthly payment software. You will have to pay like a yearly subscription, and I think even a monthly subscription. So if you want something like that, you can get the Sales Video Creator, which is basically the same thing, for a one-time price and special 60% off discount code from me. So you get it for just a one-time price, no monthly fees, no yearly fees, and 60% off discount code from me. And of course, exclusive bonuses you can check out right below this video as always. Now finally, as far as the final information, I was told that you can upgrade to the agency license if you want, that will allow you to basically add team members. And then you can also upgrade to a template club as the next one-time offer, where you'll be able to get different templates and kinetic templates in your Sales Video Creator dashboard to use and make the videos look a little bit better, more animated. And there might be a few other upsells. At the time, the creator didn't have all the information, but those are the main ones that you need to be aware of. So overall, if this is something that will help your business, go ahead and check it out whenever it is launching for that early bird discount price. And I'll talk to you again soon.